Guys, this week we're going to Cambridge. This is a famous university, and they edited this site. It's pretty interesting, I think. So, different things you can do here. First, you have to listen to this. Use 11th grade, level number 11. This is more your level, okay, guys? And if you go over here, because if you go around the site and you want to come back, always go to 11. You have different units over here, and it starts with W. This is like the introduction. And after, as you complete, if you complete W, this first intro, you can go to level number 2, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. First, you have games, okay, on this site. Just gonna check. Okay, always put hard, because just to tell you, these kinds of game, you're gonna have question. Okay, so it's you're gonna see. Okay, I will let you explore it. I think it's interesting. Sometimes it's a bit easy, but I think it's gonna be. It gets a bit harder as you go up in levels. We're in level number 2 right now. Okay, let's see the level number 1. You have a reading exercises, listening exercises. Always put level 2. And you always have, well, you have other games. You were in level 1. When you go to level 2, level 3, you have different videos, different games, different reading, different listenings. And over here, the videos, just to tell you how it works. It always starts with before you watch. So you gotta answer this, and after you can watch the video. So a patient, you click on a patient, you click here. It's always like this with this site. You click, and after you click where you want it to go. So staff goes over here, radio broadcaster. This is this person over here. Conservation work. Oop. It goes like that. TV presenter. Over here. Let's see if I have it good. Oh, I inverted those two. So, that's all right. It's just to tell you, correct your answer. Okay. TV presenter. TV presenter, and this is the radio broadcaster. Alright, so check again, that's all good. So let's go to over here at the bottom. You have level 2 where you can watch the video. And now, watch the video. Do Rachel and Nick talk about these things? So do they talk about these different things? So you just play the video. You can watch it, and after you answer the questions. Okay? And after, there's another level after it. Most of the time they will make you watch the video again with different questions and stuff, put them in order, blah blah. So that's the video part. You have listening, you have reading, like I said. In each level you have games, and you always have this at the end, other resources. You know, guys, I don't think it's that useful. So, and anyway, it sends you elsewhere, and it's not so linked to the subject itself. So, guys, if you want to check it out, you can, but I would just suggest that you do those things at the top, like the games, the reading, stuff like this, listening. And when you're done, you change level over here, okay? So, check this out. I think it could be interesting. Good reviews. It's a bit different than the grammar last week. And don't forget, if you want something that is a bit more serious, that can count, this is more practice. I send you the reading the diamond necklace. You can do this. It's due for June 8th, don't forget. And you have to send it to me by mail on a Word document. All right. So guys, take care. have fun with that, and see you next week.